In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fill-in-the-blanks form in Microsoft Word. This is a great way to create professional-looking documents where users can type directly into specific areas, making it perfect for forms, worksheets, or simple templates. The best part is that you don't need any advanced tools to get started. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Before adding your blanks, it's important to enable the Developer tab because this is where all the form controls are located. To do this, click on the File tab, then go to Options. From there, select Customize Ribbon, and on the right side, check the box for Developer. Click OK, and you'll now see the Developer tab appear on the top menu. Now that the Developer tab is visible, you can start creating your fill-in-the-blank areas. Type your text as you normally would, and wherever you want the user to enter information, place your cursor in that spot. Then go to the Developer tab and click on the Plain Text Content control. This will insert a box where users can type their answers. You can repeat this process for every blank space in your document. If you want your form to look more organized, you can use tables to align your text and input fields neatly. Simply insert a table and place your labels on one side and the fillable fields on the other. This helps keep everything clean and easy to follow. Once your form is ready, you can make it more user-friendly by adding placeholder text inside the fields. Click on a content control, then select Properties from the Developer tab. Here, you can customize the title or add instructions, such as enter your name here to guide users on what to input. To prevent users from accidentally changing the layout of your form, it's a good idea to restrict editing. Go back to the Developer tab and click on Restrict Editing. Then choose the option that allows only filling in forms and start enforcing protection. You may add a password if you want extra security. And that's it. You now have a fully functional fill-in-the-blanks form in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.